Hello everyone, my name is Elizabeth Lemelin and I am one of the instructors for Guide to Using Public AI Tools. This week through Module 0 we are going to establish what is AI. Artificial intelligence is software that can be designed to do things that only humans used to be able to do. AI can automate everyday tasks, process and analyze huge amounts of data, help with management decisions, converse with customers, create algorithms, help doctors diagnose patients, and much more. On this slide we have a timeline of AI, starting with 1950, where computer scientist Alan Turing proposes a test for machine learning. If a machine can trick humans into thinking it is human, then it has intelligence. Then we move into 1955 with artificial intelligence being born. The term was coined by John McCarthy to describe the science and engineering of making intelligent machines. Then we move into 1961 with Unimate going to work at GM, replacing humans on the assembly line. In 1964, the pioneering of chatbot was developed by Joseph Weizenbaum at MIT, and that held conversations with humans. Then we move into 1966. The first electronic person from Stanford, Shaky, is a general-purpose mobile robot that reasons about its own actions. Then we move into 1997 with Deep Blue, which was a chess-playing computer from IBM. In 1998, at MIT, Kismet, an emotionally intelligent robot, detected responses to people's feelings. In 1999, Sony launched their first consumer robot pet dog. In 2002, we have the Roomba, and moving along here, throughout the 2000s, we've got Siri, Watson, Eugene, Alexa, Tay, and AlphaGo. And all of those were by larger companies. We've got Apple, Amazon, Microsoft, Google, all of them slowly developing AI in new and innovative ways. So, to move along, we're going to discuss the benefits of artificial intelligence. The first benefit being productivity. AI can increase workplace productivity by as much as 300%. It can also free up employees from menial tasks like managing referrals, updating information, and coordinating schedules. Another benefit of AI is decision making. Machines aren't clouded by emotions, so they can predict financial trends, pull analyses for rolling out a new product, and solve customer service issues, all much more quickly than humans. A venture capital firm in Hong Kong even put a robot on its board of directors because it could pick up on market trends humans couldn't see and could quickly make objective decisions. Another benefit of AI is personalization. AI can identify success factors and screen job applicants to highlight the people who are most predisposed to perform well. It can also help organizations better understand their employees, and students for that matter, and what they care about in order to deliver more personalized experiences for customers, for learners, whoever is accessing this tool. Another benefit of AI is accuracy. Experts have already predicted that governments could use AI to reduce fraud and minimize errors in tax collection. In the medical space, which has used many of the same practices for decades, AI is being used to diagnose diseases with nearly 100% accuracy. Conversely, we are going to discuss challenges of AI. Firstly, security and privacy are our first challenge. AI needs access to lots of information, which means that it could be pulling or sharing your employee or customer or student data without you even knowing. In terms of rules and regulations, there are no rules and regulations currently in place to help control what AI can be used for, what information it has access to, or what to do when something goes wrong. The next challenge is challenging the status quo. Implementing AI is a huge transition that can upset many of the established practices and processes inside organizations. Many companies just aren't ready for the switch to AI, and it could take time before they are in an organizational and cultural mindset to adopt this new technology. Next, we have job displacement. The big concern of job displacement: will AI create more jobs than it replaces, or will it replace more jobs than it creates? We are not prepared to live in a world where AI and robots do most of our jobs, and we don't have any concrete plans in place for how to address this. That was our beginning presentation for artificial intelligence. Once you have had a chance to look through the readings, please be sure to answer our discussion posts for this week as well as respond to your peers. And after that, you should be moving right along to our Module 0 quiz. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me at the username on the screen. Thank you and have a good day.